Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It is your girl Champagne coming to you again with another great video, and I got a lot I want to talk about. I want to talk about how to become an esthetician, a step-by-step guide for those who are thinking about becoming an esthetician, new beginner estheticians, or someone who probably been in the field for maybe about 1 or 2 years. So I want to talk about that, okay? I think it's very important to talk about that. It's been a minute since I talked about how to become an esthetician, so coming with some information. So if you're a person who ever dreamed of like helping people with their skin, helping them look and feel their very best, then becoming an esthetician might be the career path for you. Today, I'm going to walk you guys through the step-by-step process of how to become an esthetician. So let's get started. Step 1, you want to make sure you research and understand your role as an esthetician. Okay, this is very, very key. Us as estheticians, we are skincare specialists, eyebrow specialists, makeup specialists. We are a variety of things and offer a variety of services. It just depends on what you like to do. We can do services for hair removal. I mean, the list goes on. It's important to understand what the job entails and ensure it is a good fit for you, because you don't want to get into something that you're not happy about. You don't want to offer a service that you're really not going to commit to because it's not within you internally. So you got to be able and willing to want to do that. You want to be able to commit to what you're offering so you're able to do it long term. So I want you to take some time and read up on the duties, the work environment, and the potential career paths. Talk to your professionals in your field. If you can, get some insight and maybe even shadow an esthetician for a day. Learn from other estheticians. Do your research, watch videos, YouTube videos, tutorials. I mean, the list goes on, but take that time to learn. Step 2, choose an accredited esthetician program. You'll need to complete a formal education program, typically offered by beauty schools or community colleges. Make sure the program you choose is accredited by the appropriate state board. You want to make sure it's accredited, because if it's accredited, it's legit. You don't want to be taking classes where the person is not licensed and they're only teaching a little bit, and so on and so forth. I mean, I know the esthetician program is pretty fast because you gotta get in there and get out, but make sure the school that you choose is accredited. So basically, you want to look for programs that offer hands-on training. This is a big thing because I get a lot of estheticians saying, this school didn't teach me this, I didn't get taught this. And I mean, I get it because even the school I went to, I feel like we could have learned a little bit more. So it was a great school, but I feel like, you know, they got you in and out. They're trying to teach you the basics to get you in and out, but just make sure you get a lot of training. We did get a lot of training, thinking more so on the business side of things, not so much. So make sure you get the training and the curriculum that covers essential topics like skin analysis, which they should, facial treatments, and sanitation practices, which is very important. You want to be able to look out for things like such. Moving on to step 3, complete your training hours. Okay, so you got to complete your training hours to fully become an esthetician, right? Complete your training hours for each state that has specific requirements for the number of training hours needed, which can range from 300 to 1,500 hours. Make sure you meet the requirements for your state. So you want to make sure you do that, get those hours. If you had to miss a day, make those hours up so you can try to get out as quickly as you can. Because I know if you guys watched one of my old videos, I said if you miss like a day, it feel like you missed a week worth of work. Make sure you just attend school when you are thinking about becoming an esthetician. Don't miss school unless it's very vital for you to miss school. Step 4, pass your state licensing exam. Okay, so after completing your training, you'll need to pass a licensing exam to become a certified esthetician. This exam typically includes both written and practical components. You're gonna be hands-on with this. You're gonna demonstrate everything you learned during the time being in the classroom, and then you're gonna take a multiple choice test. Okay, so there's a 2-part to this. Just prepare for that. Also, you wanna make sure to study hard and practice your techniques and prepare for the exam. There are also plenty of study guides and practice tests available on the internet, so do search that on Google. Make sure you do that so that you can pass the exam to become officially an esthetician. Step 5, apply for your license. The fun part, yay! Once you pass your exam, you'll need to apply for an esthetician license through your state's board of cosmetology. This typically involves submitting proof of your training and exam results along with the fee. So you gotta submit proof of your training and the results plus the fee in order to get your license. You want to make sure you double check that you completed all the necessary paperwork to avoid any delays in getting your license. Step 6, start your career. This is the fun part. This was fun for me because it's like, I got my license. I did it, I passed. Start your career with your license in hand, okay? You're ready to start working as an esthetician. You can work in a variety of settings, okay? Such as salons, spa, or even start your own business. So for me, I worked at a hair salon for about 6 months and then I started my own business. Okay. So you want to look for jobs in the area, okay, with other professionals, and consider joining professional organizations to stay updated in the industry trends. So this is something that you can start doing to start your career path. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to becoming a successful esthetician, okay? If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my family, hit the notification bell so you'll never miss another video or update. And thanks for watching, and best of luck to those out there on a journey to becoming an esthetician. Very rewarding. You can do a lot as an esthetician. I mean, it's endless, you guys, but hopefully this video was beneficial, and I'll catch you guys back with another one. Bye.